My people, no be small thing, no. As e start right now, they say that Ngozi Orabueze and Vicar TV no be small problem. They say that this man don't come outside, come to say he go for Finland, go report Ngozi Orabueze as Ngozi Orabueze declare him wanted. I go play the video for you, may you watch as it dey happen before we come back and continue.
I'm asking, who is Ngozi Orabueze? Who is she? That was the question I asked. Okay, I just received a message that she declared me wanted. I didn't watch where she made that declaration. I only saw in one of my young blogger page where she was saying, I don't know this guy, this Vicar of a person. I don't know you, whatever you call yourself, addressing me as whatever I call myself, that I should exist. I should exist. That was the only part I listened from that guy's broadcast. But it was my greatest surprise. Somebody told me that she declared me wanted.
This propaganda you're carrying on social media, Vicar, or whatever you call yourself, desist from this propaganda, this confusion you are creating. The whole Biafra, 50 million has voted to exit Nigeria.
Alright, some have known for that particular video. So Mazi Vicar is sending go his own reply. Uno man online on social media bu aifo ayeweta. Si unu bia for biano noro kaisi we na for ya. You know, all na boy post to some videos. Some people are now say stop posting this person, stop posting this person. No, una ma the reason why we are posting it is for record keeping. Yes, and our job bu aifo ayeweta. This is why the internet is there. Who post a video near like it, he says stop posting this person. No, it's not done like that. It is for you to be keeping record. Over the internet at the whole, you may not see this particular thing that is happening. So because that is why we are here to bring to the notice of the public and how it is happening on the social media space. So I want you guys to guarantee know the reply of Mazi Vicar if okuna this particular live broadcast to me this morning. Tata made this broadcast. So watch the video, share your thoughts and opinion on the comment section, and also do well to share the video. Watch the rest of the videos. I'll be right back.
The why I'm making this video now is because of the person involved is the self-acclaimed deputy Prime Minister of the so-called Biafra in exile. I hope everybody can hear me. Let me check. Okay, yeah, they can hear me. So that's why I'm making this video. Then, so since it's coming in from that capacity, that's why I'm making this video. But I'm surprised and shocked at this same woman to declare me wanted and ask me to desist and stop my propaganda. Most of the thing I am saying is what she is also said. I borrowed her words, I shared her video, I shared her voice note. Before then, there was a voice note I heard them to made against her, promising to buy her. I sent that video to one of them, telling them to be very careful of that guy. Now, I took up this particular campaign against Gento. I don't know where I offended her to declare me wanted. By who? Who is she? Okay, let me play this voice note briefly. Listen to this voice note. Okay, I just want you to hear where he talked about Ngozi must lose her life, that she is sabotaging their so-called freedom fighting. There is yet another video. Watch this.
Madam, but I am also name about Thunder. Now Thunder is one of your commander inside my camp. Madam, oh God. Original one social media. So Madam, I am messing name about Thunder na baraki butozo. But I say name about Thunder na baraki butozo. You make sure your mouth Ngozi Orabueze Nguma get 2 years in a struggle. I just hear a year and again a struggle. Keep a prony the original na we social media. You call and take on the suspension 1 month to look at you one bucket gram IPOB no bido, one bucket the kage gram ebe sogo no bido. You can betray Mommy Azoka. PM, rebel PM, we go to PM, the position of Mazoka, look at you, or broadcast. Thank you very much.
Okay, you heard it. This is the same person that is declaring me wanted. She never declared wanted upon the people say they will buy her. She never declared wanted upon people who are accusing her of paying Simon to take the position of Azoka. She never declared wanted for those who say he has been sleeping with Simon. They allegedly they have been saying all this thing. She didn't declare wanted or not. It's me that is helping him to ask a Gento and his co to stop buying our people. She's declaring me wanted. Okay. Now she has claimed to be the Biafra in exile, whatever. And in that broadcast, I heard her when she's saying that Finland we are bribed. Madam, I think it's high time may be forced to record your message and sign a petition so that you come and explain to Finland where they are having transaction to label Simon Ekpa terrorist. Why I've been keeping quiet? I still believe that only Igbo and one name, no matter what. You know what? I broadcast me was gentle. At a point, I said something. I said I plead with makeup that I won't have any pleasure. My preaching book can happen to this insecurity. Can happen in a one night I claim on offline. And when who get it now I be babu show nine that no matter what ya name. But I won't have no now cause now turn them mad. I know I'm saying this in Igbo. That not getting yaka. If I'm saying those things, that's I still believe that only Igbo will be my brother. That is why I've never one day taken up any report, full report, and exposing some certain secret available to me about my Simon, my Orabueze, and my other things. But that is a surprise. Whatever they must have told her, then they declare 1/3. It's in my head, no. Madam Ngozi, age number got bought. Man again, a discussion between Mun again and one other lady. Mama got here because when we have a sign a broadcaster, but only about honorable somebody. In my the person. Or connect again a call. I am a 3-way call over a particular discussion, which I'm over in that discussion. That was when you gave me your 2 numbers. I didn't surprise in Honyambo. Emma be America, go be America. It's in Honyambo. Madam Ngozi, I would have called you when get that him, but since he may go public, declining my Honyambo, and what you Shikoku, I wouldn't about that. I don't need to call you. I ain't trying America here, madam. Open it declared 1/3, or by who? As who? On America, I know. I'm coming to your city. I will not tell you the date, but I'm going to send a text message when I'll be visiting your city. Please let them arrest me. Everybody declare 1/3. I'm surprised now. Educated woman, I'm with a doctor, and I'm not motivated to go here, but I respect it because you speak well. You cannot take time to advise our illiterate brothers. Ne claim on a half of freedom. Go and keep Zoku, Karo upon a libo. You are chicken, ne use her, give us go get send there. You are Libai, then it. Aliba would disaster. Mabruma Aro, someone ever Ruraro Alibo. I have numerous evidences. They are there. You can't look at it now, but just one among places of one of them. And when the version called Wagaha, Hagwana, Obana, Debu Batala, the Rokalancha, Hanishi Abasomi, Bubata, the 10. Abu Bataya, let me not go to some details. Abu Bataya, Tamanaga, and Aqua Lobanka, Naga Buriola and go. Then we had a door here. So Hagibri Mas Ebutelia, how was it that I need to motorcycle? Someone may porn of Waha, Nahaji, Naka, Uno Jumbrella, Uno Jigranot. Gano Toronto motorcycle now. After all how I couldn't fight freedom. That's I just always go. The Maroma cap at that side. They wouldn't need mother knock out who motorcycle, Babuha. Coming another motorcycle, Hapaka Halawa, in a motorcycle, Babu Shua, Umibo, then other dog went away. Yeah, they tied them and moved on. I have the voice note. I told me some of these things. I have him at only by with them. No matter at 9 when I'm mad with them. It takes a very good amount of money. Come on with them. Say just name information. I will never expose you. And no more that we have never exposed him. He has to be there with them. So make mistake reveal most of these things. The person is not in trouble. And number 2 again, you get more information. We have them. Man came when I guess Ngozi. We are keeping quiet. Yana only declare 1/3. Well, even these brokers are a kind of warning. I gotta be very careful. That Ngozi, I ain't trying on America here. Even after these brokers, give you that they sure of what they're saying. And when your evidence here, you declare 1/3. Do the second video. But there that now you have intensified the 1/3. Then I will say saga. I was there. I watch a saga. I can meet to somewhere, and maybe we'll take it up to legal. I know in America, you can take it up legally in American government. We feel them when you're job. Then I also take your matter, respond to you with my evidence to you. I quote, but it may work in Apado, if you are sponsoring terrorism or not. Now, it's now 50 million, your so-called 50 million Biafra has voted for their referendum. Where? On the internet? Okay, let me Google it. I think I made it. Let me upload that particular information. Yes. Can there be a online referendum? That is what I asked the Google. Let me get to that particular video. Okay. Thank you. Can there be online referendum? Yes, for a governmental election and binding public referendum. Whose holding them online is generally considered too insecure and it is not widely practiced. However, online referendums are common and practically for non-governmental organization business and internet corporate decision. Now, this woman also can be done non-governmental. It can be used. But for a governmental election to ban referendum, holding them online is generally considered too insecure. Or the insecure, it cannot be trusted. Then the Ghana, who's not the only country, Switzerland and Estonia. These are the two countries go online. And they may here as in diaspora. How many online, but they are there in the land because of insecurity of the government, because of them in the opposition. But for an opposition to do the online insecurity, it's not here. It's irrelevant. Ngozi Meporoni Sina, the governor of our Ndibo, how illegitimate governors. Ngozi, I think maybe we need to report to Kiba Pruvo, Ebe Governor Soludo, Hopo Zodima, Ale Soti, Pitamba, and who again? Ebe who illegitimate. I want you to be Pruvo yao. Because I heard this is matching on Kitty. But you don't push me to the point of I set up a proper report. Kiba Pruvo Ebe Governor Soludo, an illegitimate governor, including other his counterparts. Number 2, 3. Number 1 is your so-called Biafran who voted to exit Nigeria or online voting. It's not done. It's not acceptable. It's not advisable. That's all, except it is non-governmental. That's one. Let me remove this particular one. Number 2, I also ask a question. Can any group or only group establish a military or a military formation or whatever in an existing country? They say it is illegal and can never be acceptable and it's a treasonable felony. But then Onion responded to him, say, now, thunder, none of their barrack. You have a barrack in an existing country. Give where they go, now working in a country. And you are educated, Madam Ngozi, with your level of education, give where the gods now recognize an illegal so-called country. All the same particular army, because someone consistently they send the ego, Kahana Zungwaga, and Ungwaga Nazawu Keji Babundame, Babundino, all the police, and Umibo, Keja Babu. Akogam story, Ebemua, someone in Parankata. I have hosted someone in my platform when he has never been acknowledged or recognized by Nandekano. It was Nandekano that made him to be more relevant. And that now he is not working with Nandekano, I know. But my pen, Nandekano, who gave him order to people to go and listen to him, also wrote him to continue the broadcast. Never one day disconnect himself from him. Even when Simon was making broadcasts against his own wife from Nandekano, labeling her Onya Okona, accusing her of sleeping with Ifeanyi of blessed memory, accusing her of sleeping with the barrister Ifeanyi Jumako. Am I correct? Jofo. Lebanon is sleeping with us, even Asarikwa. Some of the prono Jerry Jede, and when mother accused, none cannot hide all that. He never said anything. That is when tomorrow if I come out to sin on my head, insecurity, I shall not letter. You are a liar. The word you may pronounce, go and listen to him. The same way he should have told us, please, I disassociate from this guy. I've never seen any voice on that. So any damn Johnny Baggy that Nnamdi is contributing, I will be bold to say it with evidences available. Most of the time I have the evidences. I have the evidences. So all this group, so someone I kept on, all here, Finland, evidence can Finland with Toy and Poro. Ngozi Orabueze na Finland and a bribe with Nigeria. And when he get proof, maybe that those things can be written. I sue Goa or Finland to come and bring, I will try to prove. Ebe joy, we bribe, but then Nigeria joy bribe, or we can write to Nigeria. They will write to the embassy America here. He will prove Ebe bribe the Finland to prosecute Simon. Uno de cho na trouble na my human name. Dr. Ngozi, I expected you to be above this level in the more pride. When the delivery man who I address go, I respect that for the fact he didn't start insulting me. And yes, of course, he might be older than me. Last time I check your age, you're about 57. So you have to learn on the Tom. So I respect that. But whether me Tom, I'm a man. We deserve respect. Oh, you okay? You know what you now. Why I address you in this way is tread with caution. That video, please don't repeat the second one. And don't call my name in your broadcast. Because the same gentle I have been exposing is what I've been exposing. I don't see why the same gentle getting the name. You know, I didn't play the other. You need to see what a lot. Gentle said a lot. I recorded is there. That's the person I'm exposing. I am declaring me wanted. As who? Your so-called prime minister was jailed by another country, and you can only go to appeal. How are you sure your appeal will set through? Why I be holding myself not to bring so many numerous or forward evidences to Finland is because I will not get anything if that guy is spied there. But if you keep pushing us, we may have no option than to forward a lot of damaging evidences against them. So, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, be very careful with the way you use my name and the name of my brothers. In fact, for the fact you called me among these particular people, I'm going to be hosting Ijele, Urago, and many other people. Let us discuss on your matter. They may have more information about you. Well, I'm going to be doing another thing, but this is my last warning to you. Please, you can make video about me, you can mention me, but telling me you have declared me wanted. Am I a criminal? Telling me you as my own sister. Yes, you can make video call go in I the internet because they believe in Yahweh Saga. Only child deliverance or whatever, I can use anybody. But still declare wanted. As who are you? When I give in America here, you can't call me. When I got on a phone, you have my number. You couldn't call me. You declare wanted. We are all in America. If I hear in do you know what you mean? It's a Kagawaleka in America here. Or Kagawan in Nigeria. Let me play this video about Steve Gentle. Ojina declare wanted. Or get Makagini or Makanam or again. I'm not push the declare because I'm good that illegal terrorist organization. That is what it is. Finland has confirmed it. That is what it is. And every day again on there is ego. Fundraising. Can hedge the money, man. Open this in a raise ego, and ego got towards to promote human name and Alibo, to build Alibo. It's let's go home and build our again. Why will he come home and build? And goes on about it. Why not go to Nigeria? Let's see. Some of you they could go into Nigeria. I will go. Ijela here, Ijela no Nigeria. Ijela the more brutal against you people. Ndana go come Nigeria. Ijela no Nigeria. Gini kuno memunia. I'm coming home. I don't know when, but anytime. But I'm a make man on me because I'm a Jew set around some of you trap. I'm a Jew set around some of you trap. Ijela no lo unebu be yao. Keshosu who has been exposing you people. Unebu be yao. The guy don't need one on Alibo. So udumu gabatazu unedabu. I want some na go gwara say atukalo job lo nyege bu anu aru. Magito nyege bu tana aru to be anoko. Kangwa unu. Ama unu ekwezi na enwere Christianity enwere okom enwere unu I don't care. And manu kina kangwa unu. Ihe mmadu ga-enwu ofu na ofu ka mmadu ga-anwu. Mana ha mekwego nkwa. Na mara Chineke nke na back him up. Tutu mmadu egbu nwem. Ogwula mo will take the permission from God. And if God did not permit it, you cannot do it. For my sake, igeru ala. Borun nobi that these guys never meant well. I want to catch a chop Biafra. You start from about 4 options how a country can be secession can be done. War is the last option, but heavy from the last option. And we hear about dialogue. If you dialogue to the point of a agreement and when peaceful separation, yes, Nigeria. There are another option: political dissolution. Political dissolution, you can achieve it by when your own people now support in parliament. How do you achieve that? You set up your own party. Igbo People's Congress Party or Indigenous People Party. Can we get the truth? With the massive followers, the whole people will jump behind him. The year Pepiasi, now Aminambara, Lekonya as governor, Lekonya as House of Senate. Yeah, PK all his candidates. And may her unopposed vote to her, they all win. I am control the whole southeast. Because he only could be from Biafra, the north, the south, I am Kokuba East. Over the whole southeast will candidate under the same party, not under this particular agitation. Hagaro the Hill Koku for Kenwe bill that will support Kenwe and a referendum. Because under the constitution, they have to move a motion Snaka can we bill that will approve can we referendum. This is another way to get a country. Another way to get a country will report to her to United Nations and different international body. Sue her to court. Based on that, all of those one options needed didn't work. Then war should be the last option. If that I don't get it. They come from the other of my brokers. Gina, got all or Does it make sense?